Sweet, look what just showed up today. Today I'm going to show you guys the ARCCAPTAIN MIG 205 MP. Oh, a box inside of a box. Here it is, the ARCCAPTAIN MIG 205 MP. This is a multi-process welding machine. You can do MIG, TIG, stick, plasma cutter, and there's a cleaning torch with it. You can also buy a spool gun separately for welding aluminum. Let's check out what else came with this thing. So you get your gas line with the regulator, you got your MIG, you got your TIG with the trigger right here. I got the additional foot pedal, but this is sold separately. But if you don't have the pedal, you use this trigger right here. Comes with consumables, the electrodes. Here's a plasma cutting torch. It's got a safety on it. It also comes with some extra consumables. Here's your stick, your ground clamp. This is that cleaner. I've never used one of these before, so I'm super interested to see how that all works. And that comes with extra consumable as well. You get a bag. Well, you get a cover, owner's manual, some tape. This threads into the back of the machine. Here, I'll show you. So on the back, there's two gas ports, one for MIG, one for cutting / TIG. So you'd put this in here with some tape, and then you can plug an air line into it to use this for plasma cutting. On-off switch in the back, and two fans as well. You also get some extra MIG tips, a wrench, some wheels for different size wire, and then you get an extra plug. I don't know what this is for. It's probably if this one breaks on either your TIG or on your plasma cutter. They both look like the same style, so that's nice. You get an extra one. Oh no, this is different. I don't know what this is for. We'll have to read the instructions. So now let's hook some of this stuff up and test it out. So first things first, I'm going to try out the plasma cutter. So I got this all over here. I'm going to look at the instructions real quick, and then I'll tell you guys how to hook this up. So after reading the instructions, ground clamp goes right here onto the positive. This stays unplugged. You got your plasma cutter right here. This yellow piece is in the bag of consumables that comes with the plasma. And then you hook this wire up right here to the top one. We also got this fitting put on back here. Cut, TIG, that's where you put the fitting. All right, let's hook this thing up for MIG. So for MIG, your ground goes in the negative. This wire that we left free for plasma cutting, this thing comes around and gets plugged into the positive, and then the MIG gun gets plugged in right here. I think it's really cool. There's a swivel on this, and there's one on here too. So that's a cool little feature. You can put the cap back on where the plasma cutter or the TIG torch connected for the air line or gas line, and then you can cover those back up. We got the small spool in here. I'm running 035. I got an 035 tip, and I have the wheel in here for 035. And then I'm going to plug my gas in right here because I'm not doing flux core. I'm actually doing solid steel wire. This does have a chart in here. It tells you what gas, what roller, what wire size. You got steel, stainless steel, aluminum. This is for MIG, TIG, stick. So it covers a lot of bases right here. Now before we start welding with this, I do want to shout out ARCCAPTAIN. They sent this over to make this video possible. You got to check out their welders. They got tons of different accessories and stuff. You can go to ARCCAPTAIN.com. You can use code word Jones5 at checkout for 5% off. And guys, I'm going to put a link above for a video I did. I compare this cart and this other one. They're both from Harbor Freight. I put this full setup on this cart so you can see which one you like better. So these pieces turned out really good. I still got to dial in the settings a little bit more, but I'm super happy with it. So that's our Captain MIG 205 MP on the Beaver cart from Harbor Freight. Perfect setup. You can actually fit everything all on this side, so that's pretty cool. If you guys are in the market for ARCCAPTAIN welder, use code Jones5 at ARCCAPTAIN.com. But yeah, ARCCAPTAIN MIG 205. Check out my other videos, and we'll see you guys next time.